Happy birthday, sir. I really wish we were celebrating your birthday in person, but unfortunately, that's not possible. Anyhow, my wish for your birthday would be that you keep on traveling to more and more countries and keep on giving us FOMO by your Instagram reels. But honestly, sir, amazing Instagram game. A funny memory that involves you. I think this happened when you had come to Jaipur and you went to one Rajasthani restaurant and you uploaded a picture with the traditional food and you misspelled dal bati. And I had texted you, I'm like, sir, it's not dal, it's dal bati. And then you were like, really, sorry, sorry, sorry. Your friend na ho jana. So it's really cute how humble you are. A learning, best learning. Now that's a difficult one because there are literally so many of them. So if I have to boil it down to one, it would be that the basic approach that you have in life. It's like every task is achievable. Everything you'll be able to do. You make people believe that. You make people believe in themselves and understand that if you are determined, you can achieve anything. And I think that's what I learned from you, and that's what has helped me push myself and achieve things that I never thought I would be able to achieve. And that's what is the best learning I got from you. Well, then, happy birthday, sir, again, and hope to meet you soon.
Happy birthday, sir. I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. Keep traveling, keep inspiring, and be as you are. That's my only wish for you. So, one learning which I have got from you is definitely to be always positive and be energetic no matter what the situation be. Always have a smile on your face and be happy. That's how you will attract positive things. If I had to describe one favorite memory with you, I would definitely say it's the Mumbai trip because it was the first time we met in person, so it will always be very special.
Hi Rahul sir, wish you an amazing birthday and I hope that you get all the success that you work so hard for.
Hello, sir. First of all, wishing you a very happy birthday and many more returns of the day. Have a blast, sir. One of the things which I learned from you and which stays still with me is that like staying true to yourself and keep going no matter what obstacles you encounter. So thanks for inspiring me, and I hope you will continue to inspire a lot more in the forthcoming days. And finally, happy birthday and have a very good day. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Wish you a very happy birthday. One thing that I have learned from you, sir, is a positive attitude towards life. मतलब लाइफ में कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो कभी भी डरना नहीं है बस फेस इट विद अ स्माइल एंड सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट यू हैव taught me all the time. So thank you so much, sir, for always being there and guiding me in every moment. And sir, I hope कि हम जल्दी मिले. Please कुछ प्लान करिए sir, please.
Here also, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Cheers. I think one of my favorite memories when I impersonated him, when he asked me to give a presentation, and yeah, that is pretty cool. One of the best learnings that I got from Rahul sir is that you can achieve anything, so never settle for less.
Hello, sir. Wishing you a very happy birthday. We have learned a lot from you, from chill karna to time pe padna and doing the smart work. You have truly been a mentor and, of course, a friend. Thank you so much, sir. Wishing you a very happy birthday.
हेलो सर मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे एंड काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है आपसे पर्टिकुलरली दैट नेवर टू गिव अप कितना भी बेकार सिचुएशन हो बट यू ऑलवेज ट्राई टू मोटिवेट अस एंड इवन दो आपके गाइडेंस से आई मीन बी स्कूल आई स्टिल वॉच दोज वीडियो जस्ट टू गेट मोटिवेटेड so thank you very much, sir, and once again many happy returns of the day.
Hi Rahul sir, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you're having a great time already. I know you had a great time in Europe, so wish you a very happy birthday. One learning that I'm definitely taking away from Rahul sir is how to stay happy, energetic and so motivated all the time. Like at 11:30 in the night, he's like, boys and girls, let's get the party started. That kind of energy, I think that's something that I really need to get and learn. So yeah, thank you. One of my favorite memories with Rahul sir was when he told us all that while in my CDPI preparation that he'll be with us throughout the journey till we get a call and he'll help us convert it.
Happiest birthday, Rahul sir. Hope you have a great day and a great year. I wish the best for you and hope you cover all the countries in this world. Have a great one. One funny memory. Honestly, whenever he's been around, I've always been working. But like, I just love when he uses the word fudu. So Futu. One learning from Rahul sir. He taught me one thing very clear. Whatever you need to achieve, you need to work your ass off for it. And तुम्हें आर पार जाना है वो करने के लिए. So yeah.
Hello everybody. So this is just another student of Rahul sir. What can I say about the person? He's so full of energy, so full of positive vibes. He takes like a really difficult subject and makes it look so easy through his expressions and the way he teaches. So what I learned from Rahul sir is be positive in your life no matter what, and that if you work hard, you will flourish. So thank you for all the memorable lessons, and thank you for making me achieve new heights that I never thought I would be. So on this auspicious occasion, I'd like to wish you a very happy birthday, sir, and may you keep inspiring students like me the way you have in the past. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Wishing you a very happy birthday. What can I say for you, sir? You worked harder to make us learn and improve. You taught us the most important thing, that patience and perseverance was the key for our success. And most importantly, sir, you made us believe that no matter how bad we screwed up in our past, we can still do it. You know, I can't thank you enough for all these teachings, for all those teachings that you gave us. Thank you so much, sir. And have a blast, sir. Cheers.
Hello everyone. चलो आज सर का बर्थडे है. Let's make a cocktail. This cocktail will help us solve any problem that we face in life. This is heavily inspired by the few months that I learned from him. So here we go. For that, first of all, we need a dash of dedication. Okay, हाँ, problem आई है उसको solve करना है. We need to keep that in mind. A pinch of good humor. Because success हो रही है, failure हो रहा है, बड़ा challenge है, छोटा challenge, anything. You need to have a positive attitude and a good humor about it. नहीं तो it becomes overbearing and then you won't be able to do anything. 3 inches minimum smile हो, ठीक है? Because खुशी करो, ठीक है? Because the alternative is कि stress लेके करना, and that never helps. Effective नहीं होता. 2 to 3 tablespoons of confidence. Okay, because you know, okay, you should know from inside that you're going to solve this problem, you're going to overcome this challenge, you're going to achieve your goal, and that confidence should be inside of you. Not too much, okay, because then it turns to cockiness and it doesn't taste as good. Confidence and a crap ton of enthusiasm. Because तभी तो मजा आएगा. Happy birthday, sir. Have a great day, a great weekend ahead. Happy Dashera. And I really hope Cat King this year also, in your words, Jhande Gaade. And you and the family achieves its target of 3,000 students and IIMs this year. I really hope that happens. And best of luck for your journey ahead. Thank you.
Hi Rahul sir, many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a fantastic day and year ahead. See you soon once I'm back in Bombay. Cheers, have a good one.